In the academic world, students are increasingly faced with tasks that mirror real-world project management challenges. Group assignments, research papers with multiple contributors, event planning for student organizations, and even managing their own complex study schedules. Traditional methods like shared documents and endless email chains often fall short. This is where professional project management software can be incredibly beneficial. Among the many options available, Wrike is a well-known name. But for a student on a budget, a crucial question emerges. Is Wrike free for students? As a project management expert, I can provide a clear and encouraging answer. Yes, Wrike offers a robust free version that is highly suitable for students and even has a dedicated program to support student collaboration. Wrike understands the value of equipping future professionals with the tools they'll use in the workplace. Their approach allows students to gain hands-on experience with a powerful project management platform without incurring costs that could be prohibitive. Let's delve into what this means for students and what capabilities the free version of Wrike provides. Wrike's free plan for students. What's included? Wrike's free plan is designed for individuals or small teams who need basic project management and collaboration tools. For students, this translates into a powerful resource for academic projects. Here's what you can expect. Unlimited users, with a caveat. Wrike's free plan uniquely allows for unlimited users, which is fantastic for group projects, student clubs, or even an entire class collaborating on a specific initiative. The caveat is a limit on the number of active tasks, around 200 tasks including subtasks, which we'll discuss below. However, for most student needs, this is ample. Core project and task management. Students get access to fundamental features for organizing their work. This includes folders, projects, and spaces. You can structure your coursework, assignments, or group projects logically using a hierarchical system. A space could be a course, a folder a specific assignment, and projects within that folder. Tasks and subtasks. Break down large assignments into manageable tasks and subtasks, assigning them to group members with specific deadlines. This is crucial for managing dependencies in a group project. Comments and tagging. Keep all communication related to a task or project in one place. You can leave comments, provide feedback on drafts, and tag classmates to draw their attention to specific points. Multiple views for clarity. Different students and projects benefit from different ways of visualizing work. Wrike's free plan offers Table View, a spreadsheet-like view that's excellent for seeing all tasks in a list format, sorting by due date, assignee, or status. Board View, Kanban, ideal for visualizing workflow, allowing you to move tasks through columns representing different stages, e.g., to do, in progress, under review, complete. This is particularly useful for Agile-style group projects. Chart View provides metrics and associated charts, which can be helpful for a quick overview of task distribution or progress. File sharing and collaboration. Group projects often involve sharing numerous documents. Wrike's free plan allows you to attach files, directly attach relevant documents, research papers, presentations, or images to tasks, folders, or projects. Live Editor. Collaborate on descriptions and documents in real time within Wrike, seeing each other's changes instantly without needing to download and re-upload files. Cloud storage integrations. Connect with popular cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, making it easy to pull in files you've already stored there. Real-time activity stream and notifications. Stay on top of what's happening. The activity stream shows all recent changes and updates, and the inbox notifies you directly when you're mentioned or assigned a new task. Mobile and desktop apps. Access your projects and tasks on the go with Wrike's dedicated iOS and Android apps, as well as desktop applications. The student program and its benefits. Beyond the general free plan, Wrike has historically shown direct support for students through specific programs. While the primary offering is the robust free plan, Wrike's resources and past initiatives underscore their commitment to the education sector. They specifically mention that their online collaboration tools for students are totally free, and that students can invite unlimited users to collaborate on group projects. They also highlight use cases for managing coursework, group assignments, and even larger academic competitions like Formula SAE teams. Why Wrike's free plan is great for students from a project management perspective. Learning professional tools. Using Wrike familiarizes students with software they are likely to encounter in their professional careers. This hands-on experience is invaluable for building practical project management skills. Structured collaboration. It teaches students how to work in a structured, organized manner as a team. This includes defining clear roles, assigning responsibilities, setting deadlines, and tracking progress, all core tenets of effective project management. Enhanced communication. By centralizing communication around tasks and projects, Wrike helps students avoid the chaos of fragmented conversations, a common pitfall in group work. Transparency and accountability. Everyone in the team can see who is responsible for what and the status of each task. This fosters accountability and helps identify areas where support might be needed. Skill development. Beyond managing projects, students can develop skills in using different project views, Kanban, table, understanding task dependencies, and leveraging collaboration features, all highly sought-after skills in today's workforce. Preparation for the real world. Universities are increasingly focused on preparing students for the demands of modern workplaces. Tools like Wrike bridge the gap between academic theory and practical application in a team environment. Limitations to be aware of. While generous, the free plan does have limitations, primarily the 200 active task limit. For very large, long-term academic projects with hundreds of individual steps, students might eventually hit this ceiling. However, for typical coursework, semester-long group projects, or managing personal assignments, this limit is usually sufficient. If a student or team needs advanced features like time tracking, custom workflows, or Gantt charts, they would need to explore Wrike's paid plans or look into other tools that offer those features in their free tiers.